I love using my parallel glider to draw guidelines for envelopes and hand lettering. So in order to do that, usually I use a printout like this one. It's a freebie on TPK, and I will line up either the top or bottom edge of my envelope with one of the lines. So I'm lining up the bottom of this envelope with this line right here. And then the parallel feature of this ruler comes into play. So let's say I have 3 address lines to write out. I will line up the top of the parallel glider with this top line, and then all I do, go over, and then here's where the magic happens. You just roll the glider down, and then go like that, roll it down again, and go like that, and so on and so forth. So if you don't have a printout like this one, it's still really useful to have this thing, because what you can do is use the measurements on the side of the glider to guide you in making evenly spaced parallel guidelines. So let's say I want my guidelines to be 1/8 of an inch apart. I'd make a little mark there and then roll the ruler down 1/8 of an inch. And then maybe I want 1/2 an inch or 1/4 of an inch between the middle guideline and the top guideline, roll it down again. So no matter which way you do it as far as drawing guidelines, this little thing makes life a whole lot easier. And then you can write your calligraphy within the guidelines.